It is cold and the sun is bright here in Walla Walla today. The last I looked, it was about 9 degrees above zero, which is pretty chilly for here. Well, here at Intricut, I'm going to go in and see what Rob has. And his number is 509-540-8629. And he's closing his plastic mold shop here. And we'll go on in. It's nice and warm in here. Most machinery has sold. He has a lot of these things, support equipment for plastic mold. We're going to clean up and I'll try to help him sell those too. The cutter grinder is sold. He's pulled out some air cylinders here of various sizes. If anybody's interested in these things, let him know. This is a vacuum pump here. Got a couple of DC motors. I believe this goes to his milling machine over there though. Okay, we'll come on around. And oh, that table's empty where all those fixtures were. We have a high lift 5-ton jack and the air compressor tank there, and a ultrasonic cleaner, and still got quite a few grinding wheels there. Those are a Gordon Deckel with a 7/16 arbor bowl, and there's a spindle over here we'll look at. Sorted pins, and here's the nozzle tools for the plastic mold. Here's nozzles. And these are the tools for repairing them. And he wants, I think, $350 or $250 for all of it. And you'll have to talk to him about these. These are reamers for these nozzles because they're tapered. And just some miscellaneous stuff here. Here is a vice brake. That's interesting. I'm not sure how that works, but it looks like it's got V-block in it. And you've still got these grinding fixtures there. And some indicator bases, 15 for the little one there, and 45 for that big reamer. Number 34, 25 for a Craftsman. Indicator stand. We'll just kind of scan it around a little bit here. You got a tool post and holders, microscope, toolmaker's microscope. You drop that $100 to $150. It's got extra bulbs. Got to stare at 1-inch travel on an inspection plate here, steel plate. Dropped the new Bosch trim router to 55. Got a Volkswagen jack holding at 75, and these screws and an indexing plate. Some miscellaneous mounts here. This is a tool and cutter grinder chuck mount. I recognize that. And let's see what else we got. Got some boring bars. The end mills are going pretty quick. Got a drill doctor, a model Canon, and still got two good drill chucks. Looks like he sold that one Albrecht. He has a Jacobs 1/2-inch here, which is very similar to Albrecht. I'm not sure what the connection is, but they're good quality. Okay, we kind of looked over that stuff here. And we still got a small solvent tank, and I think he still might have that 3D printer. And we got the books here. Here is the mold books up here, and some publications, $5 each. Machinist Workshop and Machinist. And he'll take $5 each or $150 for all of these books. We got some more tools down here. Got a hardened Starrett set with a satin chrome blade. He wants $65 for that. It's got a, looks like a Central Tool Company center head though, however. That's actually a very good buy for that. The hardened satin chrome. And let's see what else you got here. Got some small machinist jacks here. Got some Starrett ones. Starretts in general, and here's some mold simulators here on how a plastic mold works. It's really pretty interesting. That'll separate, then it shows how the ejection pins work. I find it fascinating. Got a ceramic blade deburring tool. I have not tried one of those yet. Now, down here, you've got a collet rack R8 for the Bridgeport type. Got a couple of boring bars here, 3/8 and 5/8. Take a screw-in insert there. And this one is the slip-in type. Now, this apparently is a Gordon grinding spindle, I think. It can be adapted to anything. It's the bearings feel good in it. It's precision. And he wants $175 for that. And I'll set it back there. And it's got that 7/16 arbor, so I put one of these wheels with it here. Okay. I think that's about it. I'll click on the camera if I find something else.